The Roost43 provides a new segment to the RV market with a combination of a destination trailer in fifth wheel form. This creates the opportunity to move from locations easier than bumper pulling and provides the most square footage in this segment of RVs. 530 SQ. Fort compared to 399 SQ. FD. The Roost43 is feature-packed with residential-style kitchen appliances. Huge rear den, 2 lofts, bath and a half, laundry room, and an elegant interior design. The Roost43 will set a new era for RVing. Give us a call today and make this luxurious RV yours. 843-756-1072.
Recreation USA, a Southeast wholesale dealer. No hidden fees like chain stores. Camping we can all afford. They've got all of the top brands. They even sponsor Treehouse the band. So get your camper from Recreation USA. Become a part of our camper family today.